Right guys, we're actually filming this again. We already videoed it once, but we've lost the footage. The memory card went corrupt. Yeah, we got a really cheap Fiat 500, low mileage. Same again, it says the Cat S. We'll let you know further in the video if it should have been a Cat S when I strip it off. Ideal first car, but in this video we're going to strip it, fit it, because I've already got a front end for it. So we're going to strip it, assess the damage, build it all up, and basically sort of get it ready for sale all in one video. So that's what we'll show you now. But before we get it in, what we're going to do is have a little walk around the car and show you the damage. So bonnet's bent, we can see that. Front panel's bent, obviously the bumper's destroyed. But if you look, the damage is higher than the crash bar, so I don't think it's done any chassis leg damage because it hasn't done the crash bar. But I think it has damaged into the rads. It's kinked up on both ends here. So that's telling me again, same on the chassis, not chassis areas, but structural areas either side. I don't think you're going to be touched. Headlights are both broke. Probably not, to be fair, the engine bay is pretty clean for a 14-15-year-old car. Wheel trims, shame it ain't got alloys, but like I say, it is a basic, ideal first car really. Pretty messy inside by the looks of it. I need to get a stereo fascia and put a single din in what it looks like it had before, or another radio, another Fiat one. Same again in the back really, it's just a little messy. No damage along that side. Someone's retrofitted some parking sensors on the back with some lovely little love hearts and the name Matilda. Pair of ice skates, done some ice skates. Don't forget to wear your mask while you got your skates on. And then when you're cold, because you've been on the ice, you got something to get you warm. Lovely. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Look at that. Iced off forgets it. So there. No other damage in there. Coming into the side, couple of little door edge chips there, but absolutely minor. And to be fair, it's sat for a few weeks. We've had this for several weeks. Just parked them. Gone to it just, and it does fire up first turn of the key. It's a Fiat 500 pop model, if anyone wants to know. So yeah, we'll get down to the workshop now and start the strip down. Right, before I start stripping this down, get in the comments how much do you think I won this for on the bid, the winning bid. Let me know in the comments. 62,000 mile. Right, front end stripped off, bonnet, front panel, headlights. As you can see, chassis legs both look fine. It hadn't gone anywhere lower than this, like, as we'll show you the radiator in a minute. I do think these two parts here, where the slam panel bolts to on the top, may have lifted slightly because the slam panel had creased here. I think it's pulled them up very slightly, but I'll know that in a minute when I offer the new front panel on. Here's the old front panel. As you can see there, it's literally impacted there. It's even damaged, one tiny little bit of damage on the radiator there, but it's completely missed the crash bar. And just hit the back, so it's gone under the back of a lorry trailer section, something like that. Over here we've got the new bits. We've got a complete front bumper. I'm just going to have to take out the fogs and put in the blanks because this car does have fogs. Complete front panel with the radiator, crash bar, etc. And then we've got 2 more headlights and the bonnet, all in colour, so fingers crossed no paintwork on this car. Right, front end all back together on the Fiat 500 now. As always, I'll give them a little inspection underneath just to make sure everything's okay. This needs a couple of tyres and an exhaust flexi. I've got to get set the number plates and sort the radio bits. So that's all back together now. I'm going to chuck it back outside and then try and sort them other bits in the next couple of days, and then we'll finish up the video. Right, so all the repairs done under the 500. Got a pair of new tyres, brand new, I've just fitted. Brand new oil and filter, as we do on all our salvage stuff. Well, on any car we sell on really, we always make sure it's serviced. New exhaust piece here, flexi section was broke, so we've replaced all that section. Back box plug's been recently changed, so that went again. And then the old flex section is which is in 2 pieces. So yeah, next done, get the plates on, get it MOT'd, and it can be cleaned. Right, that's Fiat 500 all done, ready for MOT and ready to be put up for sale. All the front end's done. We've given it a quick wash, fresh set of number plates. I've wet vac the inside. So yeah, that's ready to go up for sale. We're going to be asking 1895 on this, so if you know anybody, ideal first car with only 62,000 miles on, just drop us a message, drop us a DM, whatever on our social medias. And yeah, nice one. Like, subscribe.